Here I have Google Home Mini, and today I'm going to show you how to perform first setup on this device. So what you will have to do firstly is to download the Google Home app from the Play Store. Then you have to open it. Then you have to tap Setup Google Home Mini. Then tap Next. Then wait till it finds your device. Then tap Yes. As you can see, it started to light like in blue lights, which means that I guess it's connected to our new device. If you heard the sound, I heard it for sure, tap Yes. Then you can help to improve Google Home Mini, but I guess I don't want this. Then you have to select in which room your device is located. You can select basement, back garden, bathroom, master bedroom. Okay, let's select basement. Tap Next. Here you can create a name for your device. Tap Next. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, connect to the phone is connected, you can connect it to the other Wi-Fi. Then tap Next. Then you have to tap Next. Then you can teach your assistant to recognize your voice, but you can also do this anytime later and skip this step for now. Then you can get personal results. Then you have to select your device music service. You have the YouTube Music or the Spotify, and I don't know which one is worse. Then I'll just select Spotify and tap Next. Then you can get started with the voice calls, or you can just don't do this now. Then you can allow it to send you emails on your email number. And it's almost finished. Tap Continue, and now your Google Home Mini is ready to be used.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help.
Tap Finish
To learn
Setup,
a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
and that's how you can set up this device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.